This is our SMDC news for today. Ikaw ba ay bumili ng condominium pero nakalimutan mong bumili ng parking? Tapos ngayon, bumili ka ng sasakyan, hindi mo alam kung saan ka magre-rent? Kaya, kare-release lang po ng promo and discount for the parking. Ngayon po ay merong 50% off ang parking price here in SMDC. You can contact me in my Facebook account, or you can also call or text me in my number connected to WhatsApp, Viber, and Telegram. It's 0917-764-9044. Okay? So, wala nang maninisi sa inyo kung hindi na kayo nakabili ng parking. So, pagbaba nyo ng elevator, yun na. Meron na kayong parking space. Okay? Please avail this promo this December 2023. Grace Reports is our new portion here in YouTube channel where you can have the updated promos and discounts, construction updates, and all about news in SMDC or SM Development Corporation here in SMDC. I hope makanood po kayo at ang pangalan po ng bagong portion na ito is Grace Reports.